Chapter 9. Matter and Molecules. Introduction to the chapter. All things that occupy space and have weight are called matter. All non-living and living things including man are made up of matter. The pencil in your hand, the water you drink, your pet dog, your best friend are all matters. All the things around us are made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter. All matter is made up of small particles called molecules. Molecules are composed of very tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of every matter. They are extremely small and cannot be seen with naked eye. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter that has all the properties of that matter. A molecule can be made up of the same or different kinds of atoms. An oxygen molecule, O, is made up to oxygen atoms. A water molecule, HO, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. States of matter. Matter is found in 3 different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Molecules are arranged in different ways in different states of matter. The space between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular space. Solids. The molecules in a solid are closely packed. They are held together by strong forces of attraction and have no intermolecular space. They have definite shape and size as well as fixed volume. Stone, table, sand, salt, gold, etc. are example of solids. Liquid. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and size as the molecules of liquid are not packed very closely like solids. The molecules have intermolecular space due to which they can move freely to some extent. They have weaker force of attraction than solids. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept or poured. Their volume, however, remains fixed. Water, milk, oil, petrol, etc. are some examples of liquid. Gases. Gases have weak molecular force of attraction. This allows the molecules of gas to move freely in all directions. The molecules in a gas are loosely packed as compared to solids and liquids. That is why gases do not have fixed shape, size and volume. They can also spread easily so the space they occupy changes easily. Water vapor, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. are some examples of gases. Change in state of matter. Matter can change from one state to another due to heating or cooling. The most common example is water. Water is found in all the 3 states of matter such as solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, vapor. When water changes its form, only the space between the molecules changes. The molecules remain the same. The various processes involved during change of state are melting, evaporation, condensation, and freezing. You have studied about them in your previous classes. Physical and chemical change. A physical change is a temporary change and can be reversed. In a physical change, only physical properties of a substance changes. During these changes no new substances are formed. For example, melting of ice, freezing of water, etc. A chemical change is a permanent change and cannot be reversed. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. The properties of new substance formed are different from those of the original materials. For example, burning of paper, ripening of fruits, etc. Solubility. Solubility is a property of a substance to dissolve in some other substance to form a uniform mixture. The substance into which some other substances get dissolved is called solvent, while the substance which gets dissolved in solvent is called solute. The substance that is formed after dissolving solute in the solvent is called solution. For example, when sugar, solute, is dissolved in water, solvent, sugar solution, is formed. Water is known as universal solvent as most of the substance gets dissolved in water. Solids in water. Some substances such as salt, sugar, potassium permanganate, etc., dissolve completely in water. They are known as soluble substances. Some substances such as sand, chalk powder, etc., do not dissolve in water. They are known as insoluble substances. Liquids in water. Most of the liquids such as ink, fruit juice, alcohol, milk, etc., easily dissolve in water. They are known as miscible liquids. Liquids such as oil, petrol, kerosene, etc., do not dissolve in water. They are known as immiscible liquids. Gases in water. Gases like oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc., can dissolve in water. When you open any carbonated drink like Coca-Cola, soda, etc., you see the gas bubbles coming out. These bubbles are made of carbon dioxide, which is dissolved in water under pressure. Aquatic animals like fish, etc., break in oxygen present in the water.